Hello everybody. So today we're going to be making the most expensive PC possible. It's going to be interesting. We'll just leave it as that. Yeah, so let's start with the processor. Let's go find the most cores. That looks like that's going to be a little bit interesting. Yeah, so they have a lot of cores. I'm a little surprised here. I'm looking for where's the Ryzen or the new Threadripper processors? I'm a little curious. So cores, let's get the most cores. Let's add another CPU, 2 CPUs. So this is gonna be really powerful. Let's get the most CPU power. Let's add some coolers. Are we gonna need 2 coolers? I'm just curious. We're gonna need 2 coolers, aren't we? Price, maximum price. Oh, look, what is this? It better be a water cooler. It's not even a water cooler. What is this? Okay, crap. Where's the... Oh, crap. What is this? What is this? I'm confused. I'm really confused. What is this? Okay, let's see. So, there's a Kraken. At least that's, let's see, add that real quick. There we go. So we got 1 Kraken. Let's get the motherboard. Oh, dude, there's only like 4 of them. But what does this look like? Looks good. Okay, let's put that back there. Add that in there. Uh-oh, has compatibilities. Yeah, we gotta add another stock cooler. There we go. Let's do the same thing. Let's put another one of those on there. There we go. So we got 2 coolers now, 2 processors, and we're already at $4,000. Oh boy. Let's see. So what is the maximum amount of size? Size. We should have something in size department. Oh, 1x64. So there we go. That's $700. So let's add more memory. Let's see size. Let's get some size. Let's do another 1x64. So yeah, this is gonna be 4 hours. I know, just to go through and get the memory. Let's see size. Let's get size maxed up again. 1x64. Add additional memory. I don't know how many. Let's see, 1x64 again. Let's add some more memory. 1x64 again. Add some more. How much memory do you think we can actually fit in this thing? How much? I'm a little curious what the actual memory is, but it's okay. We're gonna get that's like $800 a stick. Like, to be honest, guys, I don't think you would ever need this much RAM. But you know, it's okay. I think it has enough support for it, so I think that's actually the maximum I can probably do. This is gonna allow me to do more. Oh, really? Really? It's gonna allow me to do more. Hold up, we gotta go do more. Maxing out the most. Oh boy. More memory. He's gonna allow more memory. Oh my gosh. How much memory is this gonna allow? If it doesn't max out soon, I'm getting worried. It might not even be included. Oh my gosh. How many slots does this have? Oh, it has like 16, so it can hold 16 sticks. So let's see this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh boy, I can't count. Oh boy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. They have 1 more stick we should be able to do. Oh, never mind. Nope, so there we go. It does max out finally. So 16 sticks of 64 gigabytes of RAM. Hold on, I gotta come over here quick and do the calculator. Where's the calculator? Calculator, there we go. Let's get this out. So 16 times 64 is 1 terabyte of RAM. Oh boy. I don't know if I'll ever need that. Okay, let's choose some storage now. So let's get the what's the most expensive here we're looking at? 4 terabyte PCIe. Yeah, let's put that in there. Let's get the most. Let's do another one. Let's do the price. Let's max the price out once again. I feel like putting a couple of them in there. Let's add some more. Press. Let's turn the price up. It's gonna have room for all this stuff, right? Press. Let's get the press. Oh boy, how much room is this gonna have? I'm just gonna be dead honest, guys. You're not gonna ever need this much. Oh my gosh. How many slots are in this motherboard again? I don't even know. Yeah, I'm a little worried. I don't think it's gonna work. But you know what? Let's keep adding some more. We're just gonna keep adding 4 TB hard drives, because you know that's totally what you can every day do. Let's add another one. Oh, there we go. So it only has so much room. Okay. So let's see. Oh, look, we're up to almost $70,000. Oh, sweet. Okay, let's choose a video card now. Let's get the most expensive one. I know that's up on the. Oh, there we go. So there's a Quadro. What is the most memory though? Is the big question. Oh, but I want the 32 GB. I'm not gonna be crazy about this. You need to go get the Quadro has a higher clock speed though. I'll get the more memory. I know it's gonna require me to take away 2 of these in order to get this in there. So just let you know. Let's go through and switch those out. Add two-way crossfire, and we're looking at $60,000. What? 2 is a case. Price. What's the most expensive case? Oh, Elite Gray. Okay, that personally for me doesn't look too. Oh, never mind. It does look pretty slick actually. I liked it. It looks pretty cool. Of course, I don't know if that's worth the money, but yeah, okay, we'll do it since it's the most expensive thing. I don't know. So let's go back one real quick. Get the most. Oh boy. Oh boy, guys. Let's see. Let's choose a power supply. Let's see. Oh look, we're gonna 2,000 watts. Oh no. Oh my gosh. But it's the only thing that actually can literally legit handle it. Oh my gosh. Do you know how much power that is? Oh my goodness. Okay. You gotta choose an optical drive, because you know what's the most expensive optical drive you can get? Oh, totally. I totally need a $130 optical drive, because you know computers nowadays totally use them. Oh, look at it. It's super duper thin. Okay, well, I totally need one of those. Add another optical drive. Oh yeah, because you know I need to burn 2. This thing's called CDs. External. Okay, we only have 1, so I'm going to just leave it at that. So an operating system. Let's see, price. I totally need Windows 8 Pro. Why is Windows 8 Pro more expensive than Windows 10 Pro? Why is that? What's the maximum memory? It doesn't support that much memory. Oh no, we got to make sure we use all the memory we can. Oh, maximum memory 2 TB. Okay. Let's see. So let's grab that. Let's put Pro. Let's see. Now we should choose some software. What is the most highest software? Of course, Microsoft Professional. Let's put that in there. Let's add additional software, because we totally need another copy of Microsoft Professional. We need 2 copies, guys, for the yeah, I don't know why. Let's see. 2 is external storage. Let's see. Oh, I need 6 TB of this is desktop. What is this? Oh, look at that, guys. That's totally more than you're probably going to need, just to be honest. But yeah, let's totally put that on there. Let's add another one too. We need some more external storage. Just keep up the hard work with. You know, we just need more external storage. And I'm surprised it actually didn't go super high through the roof. I do know what we need to do though. I'll see. Just keep adding the storages in here, because you know we need some you know extreme external storage, guys. Because you know I would never ever think that I would need. You know, we should probably just do the whole setup. We should probably get the monitor now and all that stuff too, because you know you don't want to make sure you fully use everything. I don't even know how. But it's gonna be interesting. It's a little interesting right now. Oh, dude, we're just getting like 10K worth of external storage. Like, don't get me wrong, guys. I think this is perfectly. I don't think this has enough storage to hold like all the stuff that I have in my computer currently, guys. Oh boy, let's just keep adding them. This got a little interesting, guys. This is slightly got a little. This is just like I have no point, to be honest. I don't even know. If you have that much money and you I don't know. Let's see. Let's choose a sound card. What's the most expensive sound card? Okay, that better be like sounding like real life. Otherwise, I don't know why I'd pay for that much money for it. Let's see. Choose a wire network adapter. Let's see price. I'll get that. Yeah, we'll take one of those too. Oh, but right, I need to get rid of one of these. I only have so much room left. There's PCI Express additional. This better be PCI Express. Okay, there we go. So Oh boy. Choose a wireless network adapter. Actually, we already have one of those. Let's go back. We already have a network adapter. Let's put the other accessories. Oh, let's get a case fan. Let's see. I'm gonna get the most expensive case fan. Let's see. Thermatech, $100 case fan. This better be like the fastest jet engine out there. Otherwise, I don't know why I paid that much. Let's get another case fan, because we just need 2 of them, even though we have like the most expensive cooler on the planet. Let's add let's do another one. Let's do a fan controller, because I totally need to pay $124 to control my fans. Whoa, this is having issues. Crap, it's not gonna let me do that. Oh well, I tried. Let's see. Let's also try expansion cards. Let's do another. Actually, let's No, I did not want to choose another case fan. Really? Okay, well, let's do part accessories. Let's do UPS. Okay, this is a power system. Price. Oh yeah, I totally need 80,000 watts. I don't know though. I might actually go for this, because that just seems like making that expensive. I think that we should probably take advantage. Let's see what the highest capacity is. Oh, 16,000 watts, but that's another price. Oh, that's frustrating. Okay, well, for the 10,000 watts. Let's see now. What's the price at? Oh, dude, we're not even at 100K yet. Oh boy. Well, let's add some peripherals. So the big thing is, let's add a I don't want to make a custom part. Let's see. Keyboard, computer speakers. Let's add some headphones. Let's put the price up all the way. Oh yeah, I totally. Wait, whoa. There was no microphone and no wireless. What the heck? Okay, well, that's a little disappointing. I was really hoping to get a full everything you need. Okay, let's add let's add peripherals. Let's do a keyboard. Price. I'm curious. What does this guy look like? Microsoft XSA. That's ugly. Oh my gosh, that's $300. What is this? I wouldn't pay $10 for that. They better have something that looks like butter. This looks like crap too. What is this? Okay, well, let's see. This better side window. I don't want to touch it on Microsoft. Okay, this is my. Oh, look at this. This looks okay. Oh, it has some pretty cool stuff. I don't like the colors on it though. But I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm just gonna say that that's the closest thing that we can do. That looks like it's got some high ratings. Okay, so the next thing is we need a let's see. We need to add peripherals. We need to get a mouse. Now this mouse better be like. Oh, whoa. Okay, so we have a $700 mouse. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not gonna pay $700 for that mouse. I'm sorry. Nope. But we're gonna pay that anyway, because it's the imaginary build that it's just wasting money. Let's see. Let's add thermal compound. Let's get a whop. Oh, look at this. I'd like you guys to take note of this. Oh boy, we're gonna have about a gallon of thermal compound. Let's go. We're gonna put a whole gallon on that processors, guys. A whole gallon of thermal paste right on there. Don't worry about it. Oh my goodness. Just plop the whole gallon right there, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Are we done? Are we done? Computer speakers. Oh yeah. Oh dude, let's see what these look like. Oh look, these are bigger than my whole computer. Oh yeah, I think those will be perfect. Let me get them in there. Those look like they're perfect. Okay, well, our grand total today is $80,000. I'm gonna be dead up with the honest with you guys. If you're paying that much money, we need to have a talk. Please put something down in the comments, and we'll actually get you something that's more efficient. Because right now, I'm not gonna say that you should pay for that. Just saying. But yeah, and if you're gonna go get processors, go wait like a day or so, because they're gonna wait. And I mean, this is my favorite right here, guys. A whole gallon of thermal paste. Oh boy, I love me some gallon of thermal paste, guys. Don't worry about it. It's okay. I love some gamma with thermal paste. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was actually pretty fun to make. And of course, give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.